This modern and luxurious house of concrete, glass, and wood, with oriental inspiration, was designed for an active, cultured, and unconventional woman in her 70s and her family, serving as a retreat and gathering place for all. Joy House is located in an exclusive gated community on the outskirts of Goiânia, Brazil, surrounded by valleys and rich native vegetation. Positioned on a steeply sloped plot, the modern residence prioritizes views and extensively uses glass to frame the landscape from every room. Drawing from Oriental references, the house features smooth, organic lines with a striking element: a concave roof supported by 6 vaults interconnected by a massive concrete slab of variable thickness. The curves of the roof were inspired by the flight of a bird. The social area, defined by the double-height arched gallery, includes the living room, dining area, powder room, and kitchen. The private sector, located in the lower block, consists of 3 suites with winter gardens, connected to the outdoor area by large sliding doors that fully open. To ensure thermal comfort, the social area is enclosed with large sliding glass panels that open entirely, seamlessly integrating the interior with the exterior. Cross-ventilation is enhanced by these openings, and warm air escapes through vents positioned between the arches connecting the living and dining rooms. When cooking with all doors open, you can feel the breeze flowing through and the air circulation working effectively. At the back of the house, connected to the kitchen and service area, there is a veranda framed by a 2.5-meter high, 25-meter long natural stone wall. This wall, discovered unexpectedly during the excavation of the terraces and not part of the initial plan, prompted a design change that became a defining feature of the project. It enriched the design and became a gift to the residents, treated as a sculptural element. Moreover, the water seeping from the stone cools the house and infuses the space with a refreshing and positive energy. Due to this discovery, a guest suite was added above the stone wall with an independent entrance. It became the highlight of the house, and everyone wants to stay there. The tile panel was exclusively designed by artist Yeda Jardim at the owner's request to enhance the space's ambiance. The landscaping project was developed to make the most of the local terrain and existing natural elements, such as rocks, large trees, and even natural light, while seamlessly integrating them with the architecture. The minimalist garden capitalizes on a few strategically placed species to enhance the charm of the overall design. Floor lighting draws attention, creating a dramatic wash of light on the concave concrete slab, with playful shadows and scenes as a result. The private area is situated in the lower block, where each bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom and a winter garden. The service and leisure areas are interconnected at the rear of the house. The structural advantage of the vaults, combined with the efficiency of the arched framework, was used to reduce material, weight, and construction costs.